Okay, hello everybody, Jennifer from Scrapping Under the Influence. I am here with round 2 of attempting to show you my design team package from Doodlebug. So yesterday I recorded, apparently there was no audio, which I didn't realize until I'd uploaded it and a couple of people commented. So I apologize, I had to take it down, and we're going to try this again. But that's okay, because I love looking through the Doodlebug, so it's alright. Excuse me. Grab a sip of my drink really quick. Alright, so let's get into it. Let's start off with the Doodle Pops, because they are on the top of my little stack here. Almost. I think that's all of them. Is that all of them? I think that's all. Okay, so we have 8 new Doodle Pops with this collection. They are super, super cute, and I am going to adjust my light there. I didn't realize there was that much of a glare. And since we're on the little stuff, let's go zoom in just a teensy bit here. Okay, so we have got a super cute Yeti. We have a snowman. We have a polar bear. We have a whole little flock of penguins. We have a cute fox. We have a flock of the little fat birds, which I love the little fat birds. The fat birds are awesome. We have 2 new shaker pops, one of a snowman with a little glittery shaker tummy, and then we've got super cute snow globe with the little snowman in the house and the little fox in front of the mountains. So super, super cute. These this time have a lot of little like extra pieces on them. So we've got lots of little snowflakes that are all epoxied. Same thing with the little hearts on here with this little fox. He is so cute. And then with your little shaker pop here with the snowman, you've got a bunch of little snowflakes and hearts and things. So really, really cute for the Doodle Pops this time. Excuse me. Sorry, it is the end of the day and my voice is trying to leave. Alright, next up we've got the new Doodlebug pin. We've got a super cute little snowman with a purple scarf. I love the pins. I have been collecting Doodlebug pins for a very long time, and my Doodlebug pin board is like overfull. I'm gonna struggle to find him a home. But I really need to just make myself a second one. Or take my other one that has like my Cricut pins and do something different with those. But anyway, super, super cute. I always love their pins. Their pins are just fun. Next up, we have the Just Charming keychain. There we go. That's better. With the little snowman and the snowflakes and everything. And these are so fun. Like the Pretty Kitty one has been on my purse since I got it. And it has held up through all of the abuse my purse goes through. So these are fun. And like these little seasonal ones, you can swap them out. They're just really, really fun. And we've got 2 new sets of little charmers. Both of them have a snowflake. We've got a little purple penguin with a purple snowflake. And we've got a little teal snowman with a white snowflake. So those are super, super cute. All right. Let's see here. We have got a new washi tape that is full of these little multicolored snowflakes that are absolutely adorable. You can see it better when we get to the papers, but they're just really neat. I really like those. Next up, we have our shape sprinkles. So we have cute snowman with little teensy snowflakes. We have the big snowflakes, and we've got the multicolored snowflakes you can kind of see on there. And in multiple different sizes. We have all of our little animal friends here. We have got hearts with a bunch of different patterns in all of the color palette that matches with the collection. We, of course, have our sprinkles because you can never have too many of the enamel dots. And we have our mini jewels that are in all of the colors for the collection. Super fun, cute. Okay, we have our icon stickers, and I'm gonna have to zoom out because we're getting into the bigger stuff. Hold on one second. There we go. Icon stickers. So we've got, I love this one, and you'll see him in the mini icons and in the odds and ends. The little Yeti taking the selfie with the snowman and the fat bird. I love it. because you got to have the fat birds. The fat birds are awesome. We've got a little penguin on an ice floe with a little fish looking at him. We've got a super cute little seal here. We've got little houses. We've got trees. Just really fun. Penguins. I love the penguins. Penguins just make me happy. Super cute icons here. Puffy icons again. We have a whole army of penguins in the puffy stickers, as we should. We have snowmen. We have little fat birds. We have snowflakes. We have houses and trees and more snowflakes and little hot drinks like the cocos and the coffees and the teas. And we've got, of course, our little animal friends as well. So those are fun. The mini icons, we have 3 sheets of those. So again, you've got, you know, just smaller versions of all of the same little things that are in like your odds and ends. You know, we've got the snowman on the snowmobile. We've got the little kid on the tube. We've got the hot cocoa cart. We've got a sled full of snowballs, which I love that one. And then we've got our little Yeti taking the selfie again. And now he's smaller than the icon one. So there we go. Those out of the way. We've got new stamp and dies. So this is Snow Much Fun. We've got our little snowman. We've got our Yeti. We've got our little polar bear. We've got penguin. Sounds like my husband's coming through the ceiling. We've got our Doodle Cuts standalone dies. So we've got Snow Cute. Sorry, for some reason I thought they were Frosty Friends. I don't know why I thought that. But we've got the dies to make all of these little critters, including the little fat bird. But I'm sorry, the little flat bird is too tiny and I will not be cutting him out. But he's so cute. I love him. So those are fun because you'll be able to make them in any color, any style that you would like. And make as many as you want. And then we have the Frosty Flurry Snowflake dies. I love these. These are amazing. I could not wait to get my hands on these because I love snowflakes and just this whole assortment is just the best. We also have, of course, our cards and envelopes set. So you've got 6 cards with envelopes that all match the collection. We have our 6x6 pad, which of course is just the papers here are all half the size of the 12x12, like the print wise. We of course have our shadow box insert kit. These are super cute. I love doing these, and hopefully I can get to this and do this tomorrow, because if I can, I will maybe try and do it. I'll try and record it, because I know occasionally people are new to Doodlebug and haven't done these before, and it can be helpful. So we'll see. We'll see how it goes tomorrow. We've got our bits and pieces, chit chat, and odds and ends. And so they've done something a little bit different here. So with Gingerbread Kisses, all of these packages are the same color. What they did differently here is the packages are different colors. So if you're just like looking to grab it and go, it's going to be a little bit easier to make sure you're grabbing the right one. So we've got the bits and pieces, and I'm not going to take these out of the package again. I had them out in the video that had no sound. And yeah. So bits and pieces, we have 78 pieces in this pack. We of course have all of our little tags and the notepads and the clipboard pieces and the little tabs and circle pieces that we're used to. And we have a whole plethora of snowflakes, which I'm going to have to get one of these out because I need to show you these little multicolored ones that are in here. If I can get a hold of one. Just saw it. Where'd it go? Oh my gosh. There he is. There's one of them. So you have solid colored snowflakes, like so. And then we have these little multicolored ones. I love these. These are so pretty. Like, the camera does not do them justice. They are absolutely beautiful. And very different from, you know, the way they normally do this. And I love it. I love it. I love it. Chit Chat, we've got a lot of big pieces with this one, which is awesome. We've got Having Snow Much Fun, Baby It's Cold Outside, Hello Winter, Let's Stay Home, which is always my default setting. Helps that I work from home too. And then we've got like the little postage stamp pieces that we all know and love, the little flags, the banner pieces, the little milk cap pieces, and of course all of our little speech bubble pieces. Just like always, there are 90 pieces in the Chit Chat this time. And our odds and ends are 136 pieces. And you've got a great assortment here. You've got all these little houses and trees. You've got a bunch of little kids doing little snowy day activities. We've got a bunch of cute sweaters in this one. A hot cocoa cart, a snow cone cart, and we've got all of those adorable little snowmen and penguins and bears and foxes and things, and they are just absolutely amazing. Just the best. Okay, so let's get into the paper. So, we of course have our Snow Much Fun This and That sticker sheet. All of the little elements you are used to getting from Doodlebug, as far as, you know, your big title pieces. You've got some little words that somehow I always forget I have these until I'm finished with the project. I'm like, oh, I could have used that. I don't know why. I just have this like mental block against them, which is dumb because I love them. But I digress. You've got your border stickers, which are awesome. And then the paper. So, I love this one. I cannot tell you how much I love this paper. I sat here last night when I was waiting for my video that had no sound to upload, just petting this one because it's so pretty. It's very different than what they typically do, and I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. It's just beautiful. So this one is called Wintry Woods, and on the back side we have tone-on-tone blue snowflakes. Our next sheet is called Ice Crystals, and this one you can see better those multicolored snowflakes, which I just love that. I love how that came out. That is just such a fun way to do those. On the back, we've got a nice plaid in the core colors for this collection, because, of course, you know, Doodlebug does the best plaids. Plaids and stripes and polka dots, they do the absolute best ones out there. Okay, here we've got our collage sheet with all of our little animals. So we've got a bunch of little penguins and bunnies and little fat birds and the bears. And then on the back side of this, we have a tone-on-tone, kind of a teal swimming pool snowflakes. Because I really do know the colors, I promise. We've got our tag sheet here, and these are always fun. There's lots of different things we can do with these. And of course, they've got just the back side, so the white. So, I mean, you can use these as gift tags, all kinds of things. We've got our little Cold Streak is the name of this one. Sorry, I forgot to give you the names on these. Freeze Tag. That's cute. Snow Happy Together. Ice Crystals. I did tell you that one. Sorry about that. Okay, Cold Streak. So we've got all of our little journaling spot cut aparts with a great stripe on the back. Next up is Winter Wonderland. We've got all of the little houses against a purple background, which pretty much matches the paint in my craft room, which I love. And then we've got little tiny snowflakes on the back of that one. Next up is Spot of Snow. And of course, these are our cut aparts that are great for tags and scrapbook pages and all that kind of thing. Because you've got all your little title pieces here, and then you've got 4x4 and 3x4 cut aparts on here. On the back side, we've got polka dots and all the different colors. This one is Frozen Flurry. So this is your 3x4 cut aparts, and they do have both landscape and portrait orientations. We've got tone-on-tone snowflakes on the back of that one. We've got the white and gray snowflakes on the back of this, because this one's upside down. And this is Frosted Friends. So we've got a whole army of little snowmen, and they are super cute. We have Snow Day, so we've got all of those different colors of snowflakes with this beautiful purple polka dot on the back. I need like a whole stack of just this one for the purple polka dot. We've got All Bundled Up, which is our border sheet cut aparts, and with a beautiful purple plaid on the back side of that one. And then we have Snow Much Fun, which is, of course, our collage sheet with all the kids and the animals and the trees and things. And on the back side of that, we have a blue and white polka dot. So, that's fun. And then I have, I did grab that. I have, of course, the matching solid cardstock. And where did they go? Okay, so I have my little sticker doodles. Where'd they go? There they are. Okay. Sticker doodles. So this time we got 3 different new sticker doodles. Well, we got more than that. If you saw my reel on Instagram today, they did sticker doodles for the cute and crafty. So you got the little craft caddy, you've got one that says I Heart Doodlebug, you've got the little doodlebug on the paintbrush that's on the logo, and then the little like instant or Polaroid camera. They're on my craft water bottle that goes to retreats and things with me. So, but I did post that on my Instagram showing those this morning. So we've got the Yeti, we've got a cute snowman, and then we've got a set of 3 snowflakes for our sticker doodles this time. And then my favorite thing on the entire planet, as we all know at this point, is acetate. Doodlebug has come out with clear heavyweight acetate, and I mean this stuff is heavy. Like I don't know that seriously, like it's heavy. Like I couldn't destroy this if I wanted to. Okay, so I got a couple sheets of that, and I got a couple of sheets of their brand new patterned snowflake acetate. This is gorgeous. I immediately ordered like 5 more sheets of it yesterday because I have to have more of this because I am obsessed with acetate and shakers and all of that, as you well know. Put it on there. There we go. Yeah, kind of. Hold on. Let's find where we can really see it again. Nope. Let's try again. Where's that purple polka dot? There we go. That's better. There we go. We can see our snowflakes. Aren't those pretty? Oh, I cannot wait to do something with this. I have an idea. I just have to see if it's going to work or not, which is usually how all of my ideas go. So that is it. That is the whole brand new Doodlebug Snow Much Fun collection. I cannot wait to get started on this. I have Gingerbread Kisses to finish up first, and then I will start playing with all this goodness. As always, thank you for watching. Like, subscribe, and ring the bell if you want to be notified when I post new videos. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye!